Yeah.
But she can't go because she can't get medical.
You should see that yard. They got a pool in that yard. Oh, beautiful.
How old is Del?
I think she must be 83
82,
or
ain't she?
something. Somewhere in there.
82, right?
Myna birds, doves, and what are those other things?
Travel well.
I gotta tell you.
Yeah.
Let you
I
travel.
gotta tell you a
Yeah,
love
great.
story.
Look
now,
at that.
right? We had this guy that used to go play shuffleboard with us, right?
Mhm.
So he's got this gal he goes with playing shuffleboard, right?
Yeah.
So he
Is this
says
a
to me
love
one
story?
night,
Love stories are good.
I don't know if it is fun.
I want to go out with
Look,
Del.
we got Myna birds, we have
You know,
doves, we have
you know,
Myna birds, and some
Del?
chickens.
Yeah, he wanted to take
with
Del for
someone
dinner.
else.
And then all of a sudden he broke up with the gal that was playing shuffleboard with us.
Oh dear.
Oh,
Did
that
you go out with Del?
Yeah, he wanted to go out with Del, George. Wanted to go out with Del, remember?
You call that a love story?
That's not a love story.
Well, I'm just saying.